Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your first Citizens Bank credit card, complete guide step by step clearly. To secure your first Citizens Bank credit card, begin by researching the types of credit cards offered. Visit the Citizens Bank website to explore the available options. Take note of the specific features and benefits of each card. Determine which card aligns best with your financial goals and spending habits. Once you have chosen a card, check the eligibility requirements. Ensure you meet the minimum credit score needed for the card you desire. If you're not sure of your credit score, consider checking it through a credit monitoring service. Gather the necessary documents for your application. You will typically need identification, proof of income, and your social security number. Visit the Citizens Bank online application portal to begin the process. Fill in the required personal information accurately. Provide your employment details and income information as requested. Review the terms and conditions associated with the card before submitting your application. Submit your application and wait for the decision. Most applications receive a response within a few minutes. If approved, you will receive your credit card in the mail within a few business days. Activate your new credit card by following the instructions included with it. Set up online banking to manage your credit card account easily. Be sure to familiarize yourself with the card's features, including rewards programs and interest rates. Finally, practice responsible credit usage to build a positive credit history. Make timely payments and keep your credit utilization low. This will help you secure future credit opportunities more easily. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.